What the heck is a half double treble? Have you ever worked a pattern and it asks you to work a stitch that neither you nor seemingly all of YouTube has ever heard of? Where are you going to get the help for that? Well, right here. I happen to need to work a half double treble in this pattern. So I'm going to show you exactly what a half double treble looks like. Now in my pattern, I don't need to work one yet. So I'll be right back whenever I get to the point where I need to work one. Then I'll come back and show you. Okay, now for a half double treble, you're going to yarn over 3 times, go into your stitch, draw up a loop, pull through 2, and then one more time pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. That is a half double treble. I'll show you that one more time. You're going to yarn over 3 times, so where it looks like you have 4 loops on your hook, but you yarn over 3 times. Go into the stitch, draw up a loop, pull through just the first 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Now there are 3 loops left on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Half double treble, this elusive stitch.